Meaning of investment.
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 Investment. Investment generally refers to the allocation of money, time, or resources with the aim of generating income or profit in the future. It involves the purchase of an asset that has the potential to appreciate in value over time, or the provision of financial support to a business or project with the expectation of receiving returns on the investment. Investments can take many forms, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or venture capital, and can vary in terms of risk, return potential, and liquidity. Ultimately, the goal of investment is to achieve long-term growth and financial security.